Hey guys, welcome back to Everyday Madness. For this week's episode, I'm going to be setting up a trap in my backyard and catching some birds. Let's go. Okay, so how I have the trap rigged up is I have a weight on top of the gate so that it'll close quicker. And then when the birds come in on this lever, it'll close like that. And also I'm going to put a little bit of bird feed in there so that they're more lured in and they want to go in there more. So we'll see how it works. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you'd like to see more videos like this one, put in the comments below whatever specific ideas you have. See ya!